Hello everybody, welcome back. Johnny here, and today I'm gonna show you how to fade in and out your camera just like this in OBS without any extra plugins or complications. Are you ready? Let's go. So if you play story games like me, many times you'll find that your camera is in the way of things, and sometimes you want to just remove it in a nice way without it being very abrupt like it is in OBS. There isn't really a way to just fade out a specific source in your OBS scene, but we can leverage scenes in OBS to generate the visual effect of fading out a source. Here's how it works. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is group everything related to your camera under a group that I'm calling Game Cam here. And then what we're gonna do is duplicate the scene that we're interested in. So we're gonna go into duplicate and you're gonna name it something like fade in, and then you're gonna duplicate it again and call it fade out. So we're gonna have these two scenes, and the only difference will be that the fade out scene is going to just not have our game cam group, and our fade in will have our game cam group in there. And now the next piece that you need is you need to specify the transition override for both of these new scenes to be fade. Now this is where the magic happens. Because it's a fade transition, everything that remains the same in the scene will not be touched, and it will give the sensation of your camera actually being faded in. So here's how it looks. We fade it out and we fade it back in. Now you can still have other transitions associated with your other main scenes like this, and everything still works. You can always come back to these and then use your fade out or fade in scenes to get that effect. Now I use a Stream Deck to leverage all of these scene transitions, but you can also do it via macros, which you can define within OBS, and so that would just be a key combination on your keyboard that allows you to transition between scenes. So that's it. I hope it helped you out. If it did, let me know down below, and if you have any other questions, the best place to reach me is on Twitch, where I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 7 p.m. UK time, and also Saturdays 2 p.m. UK time. You can also join our wonderful Discord. Links for all of that stuff down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.